Assalamualaikum and welcome back. My name is Teacher Afiq. As you can see before, today we're going to be showing you on how you can play and show you the benefits of 26 pieces puzzle, which is the ABCs one. Okay, I already showed you how to play with it. Now, let's see, this is what's in my hand that you just saw in the previous video. This is the 26 pieces puzzle. As you can see, there's an A, B until Z at the very end. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about the benefits. The first benefit is that increase your child finger strength, because in however doing this puzzle, you have to use your finger in order to manipulate these pieces and put it in place. The second benefit is that it increases the curiosity of your child in order to learn or at least interact with them with the words ABCs, because as they are doing this, they will see that this is the letter A, this is how letter B looks like, and they can start increase their interest to learn those language. Now the third one, after they have increased their interest to learn those language or this ABC, they can increase more of comprehension. So this is letter A, this is B, because in order to finish this puzzle, as you can see, I did it from first letter A first, then I gradually go over to letter Z. So I did not skip any kind of letter, I follow this sequence. So you can help your children to understand better with that. So that is all for me, and this is how you can play with puzzle. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye and Assalamualaikum.